Assalamualaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear brother and sister, and my friends and family, and all my dear student. So, my name is Nur Alam. Welcome back to English Habit. So, today I am going to talk about totally different things and different topic because every day I make video uh, topic. Okay, so that's why I feel today's make video another topic. Okay, so that's why um, I come here. I came here. So I am already I am cooking kitchen. Okay, as you can see, uh, electricity solar sound. Okay, I hope as you can see voice. Okay, so actually first time almost 1 month ago, I think uh, English is very important. English learn it. Okay, so that's why first time I observed that how to make video, how to English start. Okay, but first time I am very nervous because I cannot speak. I cannot uh, tell anything. Okay, so that's why I am very frustrated first time. But actually, uh, academic life was very enjoyable. Academic life, uh, my fully totally Bengali medium, so that's why only just examination uh, uh, enough. So that's why just uh, read. Okay, so but I think recently when I go to work station or work as like uh, my client handles, so English very neat because uh, my client and me all everything conversation English. Okay, right? No Bengali because my all client UK, USA, Canada, Japan, Germany, Italy. Okay, so that's why English very neat. Only just me need no, because English is a international language. So that's why English is very important. All everything, all every person, all every student, all everything, right? So if if want to be a good worker, or if you want to be a successful very soon, so that's why English very neat. English must be neat. Okay, English very neat, so that's why I came here learn English. So first time I thinking uh, any paid course admit as like English therapy, as like Shafins, Dhaka Insight. Okay, but day by day my learning journey continuous, speaking, listening, reading and writing, and after 21 days uh, I am very shocked because so that's why I am very shocked 20 after 21 days because day by day improving my English speaking and reading, writing and listening. Okay, this my life is small exchange only just one habit. Every day I try 2 or 3 make video like uh, this time make video. Okay, so it is a very important. Okay, because if you uh, just only one habit make your life, so you very soon you will very soon success, that is proof. But you not consistency make, you cannot speak, you cannot very soon success. So I want to just only one things, uh, everyday consistency, only just one make habit, create your life. I hope inshallah you will be success. Okay, so right now my English improve day by day, growth I see. So uh, so next 2 month, already 1 month completed and only just 2 month. So 2 month I am very hardworking, I will very hard work. Okay, uh, already I'm prepared. Okay, uh, only just 2 month fully hard work, but English learning, but English not just skill, English is a language. So that's why only just 2 or 3 month 3 month you fluent speaker become. No, your consistency, your day by day improve, your day by day learning, your day by day growth, your fluent speaker, you will be a fluent speaker. So that's why only just two 2 month 3 month not enough. Everyday learning, everyday practicing, everyday learn. Okay, so that's why you will be success, you will be a good speaker. So now I am trying my best, inshallah I believe that I will be a fluent speaker one day. Okay, so I want to just only one things, all video uh, me only just one thing again tell you, uh, you please don't wait perfect time, because the perfect time never comes. So that's why keep learning, keep practicing, everyday consistent and never give up. I hope you learned something this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. uh, Next, see you soon and next video. So tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.